Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we are going to show you how to recharge the AC system on an Audi A4. This one is a 2003 model, 1.8 turbo engine, but it will be the same procedure or almost the same for all A4 B6 generation, which are from 2002 all the way until 2006 model. So what we need to do, we need to open the hood of the vehicle and we need to locate the low pressure side to add Freon. And usually on your hood right here you have a sticker that says how much Freon. For this model it's 500 grams, it's missing because the hood has been replaced. So the low pressure side is right here, as you can see. You can try to reach it from here, but if you can't, you need to pull that seal out, like that. And now you need to pull that plastic out of there. Or just pick it up. That's the one that you need to remove anyways if you need to replace your battery. And this is the low pressure side, here, right now. So we need to remove that cap. Okay, and now you just need to install the hose, and you need R134A refrigerant, and you need 500 grams, and one can is about 340 grams. So we need about a can and a half to do the job. Now you need to go inside your vehicle, you need to start the engine, and after you start the engine you need to make sure that your AC is on. You need to make sure that it's blowing and the AC is on, as I mentioned. Okay, in our case it is. This is the off button. Make sure that it's working. And now we need to go ahead and just add Freon to the system. Then we should be able to hear it kicking in and starting to cool. Okay, we added the first can. Now we need to unplug it and change the cans so you can add the second one, but do not add the whole thing, about half of it. You need to feel the weight of it, or you can actually buy one that's about 500 grams. It's a little bit bigger than that, and that way is better. But our story, we didn't have one, so we had to use two small ones, and we're just going to use half of it. And we're just adding, and here you can check right now it's about 85 degrees here, so we need to be, the operating pressure should be around 35 to 45 on this one. So we need to add more. Okay, and now inside the temperature is pretty cold, it's blowing really cold. I wish I had a thermometer to show you. And that's how you recharge the AC system on an Audi A4 this generation. If you have any questions, let us know. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.